So since we got back from Brazil, I basically had like 3 sessions. The first one was really cold. It was like under 4 degrees and it was like 30 plus knots. I couldn't film anything at all. It was also very gusty. Welcome back to Canada and crazy storms. We're driving to Boundary Bay. There is 40 knots. I don't believe it, but we'll see. Anyway, it's much colder, so as you can see, traditional driving in a wetsuit kind of situation. And yeah, hopefully it's gonna be fun. But we'll see. Looks choppy and gusty and cold.
It looks very windy here. Maybe it is 40 knots. Although I bet it's more like 30 knots, but it's pretty knots. What? You're not keeping out of your phone, are you? Yeah, it's really windy. Really windy, guys. Makes it hard to do anything, and also it's stronger as I get out. Really cold, especially in my hands, but it was a nice session, I guess.